Right, I was playing my video game until it actually crashed, and then I looked at my phone and I see a notification that this just got delivered. And for some odd reason, the tracking was kind of weird. It said it was supposed to ship today, which it did, but while it was still in transit, it didn't say out for delivery, so I thought that was kind of weird. And I was gonna think maybe they might be late on a delivery, but they weren't. And you may notice that I got my John Wilkes out. That is because what's in here, excuse me, is the last coach that I needed to complete my John Wilkes set. I was not expecting for this to pop up, and I did wait a little bit, and I just decided to get it because, like I said, this coach was the last one that I needed to complete the set. And it is in here. Put my pocket knife down. And I probably shouldn't have put it back up because, well, there's tape on it. What's this? Oh. Well, maybe I can tear that off. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Right, it's adjusted slightly. It was sitting a bit too high, so yeah. It's packaged really well. I'm really happy for that. Overkill. Whoops. Just the way I like it. He says until I dropped it. Oh well, it's bubble wrapped, so should be fine. Alright, here it is. Box was in good condition. A 1920 Pullman John Wilkes Lehigh Valley. Let me get this out of the way. Let's get it out. It is in here. If I can grab it. Alright, and there it is. Let's have a look at it. Nice. This thing looks in really good condition. See, it's got the John Wilkes thing right here. This thing does have horn hook couplers, and the rest of my coaches, John Wilkes coaches, are fitted with KD knuckle couplers, which I want to replace now because I guess one of the brackets, or I don't know what you call it, one of the little holders that holds in the KD couplers fell off on one of the coaches, and I just didn't bother putting it back on when I tried to. So I do have some knuckle couplers for these coaches, but I think the ones that I have left are a little bit too long, and hopefully I want to replace the whole set, and especially the Wilkes, with these horn hook couplers. So hopefully one day I will do that. Alright, so I might have to get these couplers off camera. It's a little bit difficult. And these spring-loaded things here, I always break those. I hate that. Alright, so let me dig some out. Let me dig some knuckle couplers out, and I'll be with you shortly. So there it is. It actually didn't take me very long to get the couplings off to replace them with the knuckle couplers. Again, I had to do that because the rest of the coaches have knuckle couplers, especially the Wilkes, just right there. And it looks good. It looks really good. Although I know you guys are going to complain about probably the gap that's about to show up on these coaches, or with this coaches and the others, but I cannot help it. Otherwise, the horn hook couplers would not couple up to these. So there's that. Okay, if I can remember to turn my power supply on, we'll back the Wilkes up to the new guy. There we go. It's coupled. Well, bring the Wilkes. There we go. As you can see, the gap isn't terrible. It is terribly bad. Sorry. It's not terrible, unlike if you look close enough. It still looks alright, but I have the complete set now. Thankfully. Okay. So now, let's take this off. without him misbehaving. Guys, I accidentally lied to you. I have some spares. So these are much better for the these type of coaches. So I'm gonna be swapping out the longer couplers with these. So give me a second. Right, I replaced the couplings and I got it towards the front of the train this time instead of towards the back, because these KD couplers, for some reason, they don't like holding on to those couplers. I think the KDs are more quality or something like that. I don't know. And these, the ones that are on the John Wilkes coach usually aren't. I don't know, but let's take it off. Let's see if it'll behave, please. It's not the coach's fault, it's the couplers. They don't like to interact for some reason. And there we go. Looks like they're behaving, he says. We'll just have to wait and see. Well guys, I've been learning this set for a little while now, probably about maybe 5-10 minutes, and I'm loving it. I'm so happy to have the full set finally. So yeah, I've been waiting for I think several months now to finally see if one John Wilkes coach itself will pop up, and it finally did. It was a little bit pricey because, well, it's rare obviously, what do you expect? I paid I think $50 for it, but it's not really a bad price considering how rare it is. Sorry, I better stop this now, it's slowing down. But yeah, $50 for a coach like this, for how rare it is. It's not terrible, but it is pretty pricey nonetheless. But I am pretty happy with it. It's in good condition. I'm really happy it's performing really well. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, everybody.